Well, looking ahead, legal offices across our area are joining an effort to diversify their industry by hosting a virtual job fair next week.
It is a first of its kind hiring event in Oregon, and it's all part of an effort to help legal offices better reflect the communities they serve. Joining us live this morning with all the details is Washington County District Attorney Kevin Barton and Attorney Yvonne Resendez Gutierrez with Miller, Nash, Graham & Dunn LLP. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
So, Kevin, I want to start with you. This is Oregon's first diversity job fair for legal professionals. Why was something like this needed?
Well, the wonderful thing about this job fair is it brings together all of the legal professionals that we have and legal employers that we have in Oregon. And it was needed because we wanted to take meaningful action in the wake of George Floyd and all of the really important and long overdue conversations our entire society was having. We were having those same conversations in our legal profession, and we had this desire to do something to help ensure that the people that are serving our community as legal professionals reflect the identity and the values of the community that we serve.
And Yvonne, why is diversity so important in the legal industry, and how do you define diversity?
Thank you. Yes, I think it's really important because it helps having different perspectives, whether it's on a case or on a deal. People bring their experiences, their backgrounds to the table. And I personally seen working on cases where people from different, whether it's geographic diversity or racial and ethnic diversity, we just approach problems differently and we all benefit from it. The clients benefit from it. And it's also just the right thing to do for all of us to be working together and be able to have equal opportunity. The way we define diversity for purposes of the job fair is anybody who, it can include race and diversity, but it can also include religious background, sexual identity, or any other historically marginalized or non-dominant demographic or identity.
I could imagine from, from your clients' perspectives too, feeling like their representation can truly empathize with them in a case, that would be really important. So, Kevin, tell us about the details here for this diversity fair. When is it? How can people attend? I know it's all virtual this year, so how is that working?
Great. Yeah, so it's March 9th and 10th. It's a 2-day fair. Because of COVID, it's 100% virtual. But the benefit of that is it allows people from anywhere, really anywhere in the world, anywhere in the nation, anywhere in Oregon to attend. Day 1, March 9th, is focused on attorneys, but day 2, March 10th, is focused on other legal professionals, people like paralegals, secretaries, legal support staff, etc. So really anyone in our community that has a desire to be involved in the legal profession can attend. It's completely free if you're looking for a job. We've got over 35 employers, and now we have about 135 and counting career seekers. And all of the information is available on the website, which is odljf.org.
Yeah, the virtual world has made some things easier for sure. And Yvonne, what are some of the characteristics or experience that your firm will be looking for?
We like to look for people who are ready to hit the ground running from day one, people who are self-starters, really multi-tool players, people who are, have an ownership mentality in the firm, but are also really committed to client services. They need to understand that we're in the client services industry, and responsiveness is important. Great writing for the legal professionals. Day 2, it's really important to have somebody who's curious, who's going to ask about the case and see how they can provide value on the matter. So we're really excited to meet different people. The virtual platform is different than in person, but there are some benefits to it. On the platform, you can chat, and then you can decide to go on video. You can view materials. So we're really excited and hoping that there's a lot of candidates there who could find their next home at Miller Nash.
I think this is a great opportunity and a great initiative, one that we're happy to help get the word out on. Kevin and Yvonne, thank you both for joining us. Have a great day and good luck with this job fair.
Thank you. If I could add one thing before we leave off, I want to thank our presenting sponsors. They're Bullivant Hauser Bailey, Davis Wright Tremaine, and the Oregon Association of Defense Counsel. We also couldn't have done this without Kevin's office, the Washington County District Attorney's Office, and the Urban League of Portland. So thank you to all those sponsors who have made this happen.
Lots
And
of
thank
groups
you for
working
having
to
us.
make it happen. Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you both for joining us this morning, and best of luck. Okay, so if people watching at home want to attend the virtual event,